Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Dive into our comprehensive support system, guiding you from start to finish with expert precision. Get expert guidance from submitting your brief to finalizing your methodology chapter. Our expertise in qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods is tailored to meet the specific needs of your dissertation. Qualitative methods dive into the subjective. We use interviews and thematic analysis to explore human experiences and perceptions, uncovering rich, nuanced insights that go beyond the numbers. Quantitative methods harness the power of numbers. We specialize in surveys, experiments, and statistical analysis, providing precise, data-driven results that underpin your research. Mixed methods, best of both worlds. We seamlessly blend qualitative depth with quantitative precision. Interviews and surveys come together to offer a comprehensive understanding of your research. Our personalized assistance and meticulous attention to detail make us the premier choice for crafting your dissertation methodology. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Leave a comment with your thoughts or questions.